Clean for safety. Clean hands, clean surfaces, clean kitchens. Cleaning stops germs before they reach food. Every wipe matters. It protects and builds trust. Clean as you go. Cleaning is your shield in action. It stops germs before they reach food. Clean as you go. Smart and safe. Hand washing for food safety. Clean hands prevent food contamination. Wash properly. Wet, scrub, rinse and dry. Use soap, warm water and disposable towels. Hygiene isn't optional, it's essential. When to wash your hands. When you wash matters as much as how. Before food, after bins, raw meat or touching your face. Gloves don't replace hand washing. It's your real defense. If hygiene slips, act fast. Rewash. Retrain. Cleaning effectively. Cleaning isn't just wiping, it stops the spread. Clean first, then disinfect. 2 steps, 1 goal. Safety. Use approved products and follow the right method. Protect ready-to-eat food. Train your team. Stay safe. High priority. Cleaning. In high-risk zones, hygiene comes first. Disinfect handles, taps and tools thoroughly. Clean fridges when empty to prevent bacteria. Use dishwashers or separate tools for raw and ready food. 2-stage cleaning ensures food safety. Other cleaning. Don't overlook the basics. Non-food areas matter too. Dirty floors and corners attract bacteria and pests. Stick to a clear cleaning schedule and keep supplies stocked. If something goes wrong, fix it, disinfect it and log it. Clear and clean. As you go. Clean habits make safe kitchens. Remove outer packaging before prep. Avoid contamination. Wipe spills fast, clean tools often, and switch cloths between tasks. Less clutter, less risk. Clean as you go. Managing food waste. Clean and clear. Food waste control keeps kitchens clean and compliant. Scrape before washing. Use sink strainers. Keep waste bins sealed, clean and pest-free. If it goes wrong, clear, clean, disinfect and fix it. Train your team. Clean as you go. Cleaning schedule. Stay on track. Stay hygienic. A clean kitchen starts with a clear plan. Use your schedule to track what, how and when to clean. Disinfect all surfaces, from knives to door handles. Note tools and timings. Train your team. Review often. A complete cleaning module. Welcome to the cleaning module, your hygiene simplified. Get clear schedules, step-by-step tasks, and safety tips for every item. Learn terms like detergent, disinfectant, and contact time for best results. With Hygienius, cleaning becomes smart, safe, and audit-ready. Tap Submit and stay compliant.